You have got to stop trying to look like a YouTuber if you want to get clients and make money. Like, you don't have to be Mr. Beast over here. We don't need all these explosions and all these fancy edits that take you 8 or 10 hours a day. No, you're educational content creators. You are coaches. You are school community owners. Your only job is to get the information to the people who need it as concisely as you can in a way that they can understand. And this is actually a lesson I learned today because every time I sit down and try to make a YouTube video, for some reason I just freeze. I set up all the lights and the camera and all the big fancy podcast microphones, and it just feels wrong. I don't know what it is. I just can't do it. But over on TikTok, I'm making like 7 or 8 videos a day. And they're just like simple walk and talk videos on my phone, just yapping. There's very minimal editing, just as pretty much as raw as you can get. And I realized, why can't I do that over on YouTube? And I think people might actually appreciate that a little more because people are so tired of the guru in front of their Lambo with all these captions and it's hyper edited. I think people they see past that. They don't want that anymore. And also the way people are making AI slop, they're just pushing out thousands and thousands of these videos that aren't really them. It's not their real face. It's not their real voice. And I realized I think the only way we're going to be able to stand out as coaches is to make raw talking videos like this. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to make a YouTube video right now and I'm going to kick off my channel. So if you want to give me a follow, I've got like 70 million views in short form. I've been a podcast producer for a really long time, YouTube video editor for other people, but now it's time for me to finally try it for myself. It's time to spread my wings and actually give it a go. So I have lots of tips that I can give and I'm going to be making a lot more videos. So if you want to give me a follow, that'd be really awesome.